Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best app that its name is Wild Journey, Mindful Naturally. Get more mindful naturally and enjoy listening to guided meditation focused on topics like sleep, stress release, and nature connection. It is the best app. You can keep calm yourself and listen to the music of this app. It's 80.6 MB in iOS and less in Android. Let's open it. Wild Journey. As you see that, get started with Wild Journey, Unwind Under the Stars. It's going to download this. We have the Great Grove, Explore and Unwind, the feature collections, the mindful moments, what we are working on. And here we are going to start the first day. 5 day. The first day is wind down, the second day is drift off, the third day is heavy body, fourth one is moonlight, and the fifth day is calm night, that it makes you calm. As you see guys, the unwind under the stars.
Sleep can be difficult after a busy day. This meditation can help you calm your thoughts.
As you see guys, all of that is like this, that is give you the meditation rules, the meditation information. And then here we have the experience, that rise with the sun, unwind under the stars, nature connection, the mountain, another thing, lots of things we have. And then here we have the collection, mountain nights, thunder and rain, bird song, and in here I prefer the nights. And then here we have the landscapes, that we have the calm, night, water, and etc. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and enjoy from it, and comment below which app or which games do you want that I make videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.